The Connect Summit, the best thing here is like, it's really hearing the partners talk to each other about what they see, not just about Gelato and the software in particular, but about the market in general.
My number one learning today, I think, is of course all the experience coming from the major companies that I've seen here that are like way ahead of my time so far. But seeing that they have the same challenges, the same ideas, and that they can basically only be solved by the same way that I'm seeking, not by waiting 20 more years or whatever. It's just by the software. So joining that together is kind of becomes a democratic way for some very experienced people here with 30 years experience in the industry, and my smaller company can come together and join in the challenge to beat the market, basically.
The thing that I have gotten from this conference has been that we can get there. I see a vision, I see a concept that I believe as an industry we can move to. I think we have all the pieces to the puzzle, and I think Gelato's going to help us put it together.
The summit has been great. I was there last year also, and I definitely see that there's a lot of collaboration in this meeting, and we definitely learn from each other what's happening in the industry.
My key learning from the summit is that all of our businesses in this industry are actually more similar than we feel. We have all created our separate solutions, which makes us feel like every print shop has its own unique workflows, when in fact, most of us are doing very close to the same thing. We just don't have a consolidated solution that allows us to do it in the same way.
I always saw the industry somewhat fighting against itself, being afraid, closing in, thinking, this is my customer, I can't give it up, I can't talk about this distribute model because it would be giving up control. And I think now we have been given a path to not feel that way, to be able to distribute it, to be able to do what's best for the customer and profit from it.
I have got so many nice talks with printing shops from all over the world, and we all have the same problem, and that is how to do things more efficient. And we really believe that this software that is, has been launched and is under progress will make us much more efficient in the future.
It's incredibly important to be allied with the best companies in the industry, or that are serving the industry or are adjacent to the industry, because we really can't do it alone. It's really important to understand who to partner with, who to create alliances with, how to go to market, and what kind of partners you choose to do that. And it's not a new learning, right? Relationships are important. They've always been important. And that's just as true, or maybe even more so today.